Hi guys, welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to visit my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification button. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make this 360-degree flare, and also in that tutorial also I will be teaching you guys on how to make 720-degree flare, which is the two double of 360. So now, but I have part 2 for this dress. And the part 1 is for making this flare, while the part 2 I'll be teaching you guys on how to make this bust, this preset this bust here, this straight bust here, on the second tutorial. So our top length is 23, our waist is 27. So we are going to write half length for our top, which is 15. So 15 minus 23 making 8. So 8 is our normal flare length. So now 360-degree, the ratio for 360 is 6.28. So for 720 equal to 6.28 plus 6.28. So now the normal 6.28. So the normal waist measurement is 27. So 27 divided by our ratio, which is 6.28, equal to 4.2. So now 4.2 plus the top length, which is 8, so equal to 12.5, 12.2, sorry. So you're now going to add extra 2 inches to it, so making 14.2. So that is our 360-degree flare measurement. So to achieve your 720-degree measurement, which is 6.28 plus 6.28, waist is equal to 27 divided by 2. If you want to achieve that, sorry for that. So as I said earlier, 40.2 plus 40.2, that is going to give us 720-degree ratio. So 360-degree equal to 14.2 for this flare that I'm cutting now. So that is the measurement we are using. So now for our clothes, this is the materials I'm using for the dress. So now what you have to do, you have to measure your 14.2 this way. You will just measure 15, fold it back the way I'm doing it. So you are going to fold it into 4 places. Now, so that 40.2, which is 15 that I folded, is going to be folded into 4 places. The way I folded it now, you just turn it back to the other part. So this is the way it will be. So now this is 14.2, which is, I use 15 inches for it. So you are going to measure your 14.2 this way, the way I'm measuring it now, round. So now 14.2, you know the normal length of our top is 8. So you are going to remove 9 inches from 14.2. So 14.2 minus 9, so it's going to be 5.2. 14.2 minus 9, it's going to give us 5.2. So that 5.2, you are going to measure it round at the upper part. That is the flare that we are going to use. That's the normal radius we are going to use at the upper part. this way. So now I'm going to cut it out. So now this is our flare. This is the way it will look like. This is how lovely it is. So to achieve 720 degree, you have to cut two out of this. You have to cut two parts for this. So now 720 degree, you are going to cut two for this. So now I'm going to be using crinoline on it, but this dress I'm not going to put crinoline on it. I'm just going to use stay on it. So this after ironing my stay and using lining to turn it. This is the way it is. Thank you guys for watching.